Nice. Oh my God, it just literally fell right out of there. Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's feeling very, very well. So I'd just like to say a big thank you to my new subscribers. Thank you. And my returning subscribers. Thank you. If you like these kind of videos, please be sure to hit the like button. Leave your comments. I read each and every one and answer as soon as I can. Better still, please subscribe to my channel. I do appreciate it. And giveaway. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. It's an international, so it's open to everybody. I will leave the link down in my description so you can click on that and go and have a look, and you could enter if you wish to. So today it's all about Sweet Sparkle. This is a beauty / makeup subscription. This is from the United States or America. So I think this costs just shy of £18. That's including everything. So that's your box, and as far as I know, there was no taxes to pay, but there was obviously shipping to pay for. So the thing that caught my eye about this subscription box is they are all full-size products. I have seen a couple of videos on YouTube and they seem to be more makeup oriented rather than the beauty side of things. So for me, that's a win-win because I do like me old makeup. So you get it in a box like this. It does come in one of these little jiffy bags. Pretty little box, and inside says, "Hey pretty." They are your inside. You get a card to say what everything's about, and they are your goodies. So shall we have a look, see what I've got? So this month's box is Smoking Hot. Great, lovely. Right, okay, so let's get cracking on then. So first thing I see is, I'm assuming this is some sort of palette. Oh, so this is by, I think it's pronounced Cookie. So this is an eyeshadow. It is worth $10. This 9-pan palette contains shadow pairings in a variety of finishes, matte, satin and shimmer, richly pigmented for easily building and blendability. And these are quite pretty. Nice little shades there. Let's do some swatching. Okay, not bad. Now, I would say there will probably be a little bit of fallout, but it did blow away quite easily. Like them. Nice. Okay, so that's the first product, worth $10. Okay, next we have some, what are these? Handmade, natural, lightweight and reusable human hair eyelashes. Okay, so these are by Casina. Are they? They are worth $2.99 in dollars. All these prices will be in dollars. They're called the Belinku Pro Lashes Sweet Pea style. So I quite like those. They are quite natural looking. I don't like anything too blingy on my eyelashes. So yeah, look good. Right, next we have Mirabella. This is by Mirabella. It's $30. It's a cheeky blush, lively glide on prismatic blush powder. Provides beautiful buildable colour with a weightless velvety finish. Okay, so let's have a look. Ooh, pretty colour. So, sorry, that's what it looks like. That's the colour. It's in like the silver and it's got the emblem of Marabella there. You can see it. I don't know if you can. Nice. Oh my god, it just literally fell right out of there. Let's go and retrieve it. Well, it didn't break, so that's a good thing. So, I thought it was going to be like, you could like, it looks almost like a roll-on type thing. Right, okay. I'm not sure. It's a pretty colour though. Very pretty. So I'm guessing you'll probably have to, yeah, use your fingers. I can't see that there's any shimmer in it. I don't like blushes with shimmer in it. I try and stay away from shimmer on my face as much as possible, apart from a little bit of mascara, eyeshadow now and again. Right, okay, so that seems okay. Next we have Steve Laurent. This is worth $22. This is a lip tint nude pop. This highly pigmented creamy lip tint glides on smooth for a long-lasting lip colour that pops. Okay, let's have a look at this. Oh, that's pretty. That's the colour. It was like, well, I guess it's nudie, sort of peachy colour. Well, I mean, it is very nude. There's literally this one here. Hardly any sort of colour payoff there at all. Okay, well, we'll give it a go and see how we get on with it. I mean, wow, $22. And this one's $30. Okay, next we have, this is made by Revlon. This is $5.49. This is Photo Ready eyeliner. So it looks like you get two colours here, which is great. So it looks like you get more of a natural one for your wide awake look on your bottom lash, and then you get the black for your top lashes. Let's have a look. Okay. So it's like that's black. Goes on easy enough, no dragging. So that's the black here. And then this side, yeah, is white. It's cool. Just here. And I do like putting white, or I think I tend to use nude more than white on my waterline on the bottom. So that's that one. And our last item is a little brush. This is by Cookie. Again, I think that's how you pronounce it. Cookie. This is a lip brush and this is $6. That's that. Seems alright. I don't use lip brushes as a rule. Probably find some other use for that apart from lippy stuff. Well, I have to say that I actually thought this box was okay. Do I think it's as good as the other one that we have? What's the other one we have? Glossy box. To be fair, I'm not familiar with a lot of these brands. I've never heard of Mirabella before. I don't know if you guys have. I think I may have heard of the Steve Laurent before. I've definitely heard of the Cookie brand before. And obviously we know Revlon. So, I don't know. We got 18, it cost £18 and we got 32, 52, 58, 61. Around about £67 worth of products. So I think that is actually quite good value. I'm going to keep it going for a few months, see how we get on with it. I really do like Sweet Sparkle. That is an alright box. Yeah, I'm going to buy that again. I quite enjoyed that unboxing. There's no bells or whistles about it. It's pretty straightforward. You just get what your items are here, packaged in a little box, and your bits and bobs are thrown in there. So, let me know your thoughts, guys. Would you pay £18 for this box? Do you think it's worth the money? If so, just leave me a little comment and tell me if you've heard of these brands before. So, that's it for now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit your like button, hit your notification bell, and have a look at the giveaway. It's a Lottie London advent calendar thing and a hot hairbrush thing. Yeah. So give it a go. Right, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until we speak again, please take care of yourselves and each other. Bye for now. Mwah. Bye.